Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So this is a story time video. Okay, I'm going to be gisting you guys something that happened in my life when I was about to get married in 2016-2017. okay, so yeah, I hope this is not going to be a boring video, okay, because I'm not a very good like storyteller, okay, but I'm going to try my best, okay, and try not to make this boring, okay. So and I said too many okays, so ignore all the okay. Okay, so let's just get into the video. So I'm just going to give you guys a little background story, okay, about her and my husband. Okay, so we dated for a little while, like we dated not a little while, we dated for a couple of years before we got married, okay, and we got married in January 2017. Yeah, January 4th 2017. That was when we did our church wedding. But before then, in 2015-2016, we did a whole traditional marriage, like the traditional rites. So I'm a Nigerian, okay, and in Nigeria we have our own traditional wedding or traditional marriage, and then you can also go ahead and do your church marriage if you want to, if you're a Christian and you want to, okay. So we did our traditional marriage in 2015, ending of 2015. So we decided to do the church wedding in 2017 January, and I was the only one in Nigeria then. He was living in the US, so it was a distant relationship, distant marriage kind of, okay. So I was the one planning the whole wedding thing, like through 2016 I planned the whole thing, and then in 2016 December he came back. So he came back for the wedding, okay, and he came back like I think 3 weeks to the wedding. So when he came back, we decided to take our pre-wedding picture, okay, and the photographer I was using for my wedding, I paid him for both the pre-wedding picture and the wedding itself. So he came in from Lagos because we did our wedding in Owerri. So he came in from Lagos. I think he had a wedding that weekend in Owerri too, like he had a wedding he had to cover that weekend in Owerri. So he came in, and then we took the pre-wedding pictures in December, like I think 2 weeks to the wedding. That was when we took the pre-wedding pictures, okay. So after we took the pre-wedding pictures, we had to select the ones we want. He edited them and he sent them back to me, and I decided to post them on social media, okay. So I can't remember the very day, but I think that was like 2 weeks or just a few days to the wedding. I posted the pre-wedding pictures online. I posted it on my Facebook page. I posted it on my Instagram, right? So a lot of people started reposting these pictures, okay, like a lot of my Facebook friends, a lot of like my real life friends now, a lot of family members started reposting these pictures on social media. A lot of wedding pages started reposting it on Instagram. Not a lot, okay, a couple of them reposted. I found a picture maybe nice or something, reposted some of the pictures on Instagram, right? So I even had to, like, because some of them would tag you, so when I got notifications I had to like go to their page to say thank you, you know, stuffs like that, maybe share it on my story, or you know, stuffs like that. So even people that I don't know, people that I'm not friends with, reposted it on Facebook, like people that probably saw it on my friend's page, you know, they'll either share it or repost it, and somehow most of them tagged me to it, okay. So I could remember during that period, one of my friend, I think it's Tonya, I can't remember, I'm not sure right now, but I think it's Tonya, she called my attention, like she commented on one of the pictures, right? She said something like, oh, you're trending, so and so blog, okay, posted your pre-wedding picture, right? So I'm going to add this pre-wedding pictures on the screen here, okay, and I'm going to add the blog, like the website that posted this picture. I think their name is Nairaland, so it's Nairaland. Let me check my phone. So okay, because I have it, like I brought it out already, okay. So this is nairaland.com. I'm going to leave the name on the screen. So she told me that they posted this pre-wedding picture, right? But when she made that comment, I didn't really pay attention to it, because just like I said, a lot of people were posting our pre-wedding pictures, so I didn't really like pay attention to, like I didn't really pay attention to it. I didn't go out to maybe, you know, go to check the website to see what they posted on the website. Okay, so I think someone else also commented right around that period too, saying something like the kind of comments like people were leaving on that picture, like on the website, like, you know, the kind of horrible comments people were leaving there, you know, that kind of thing. So that was what got my attention. So I decided to go to Nairaland to go and check like what people had to say about our picture. So I had to like you know, click on the link. I think she dropped the link to the post itself. So I click on the link and they made a post about my wedding. Let me see if I can bring out the post right now. So this is it. Like, they added our pictures. These are the wedding pictures. I'm going to add all these pictures I'm going to add all these pictures on the screen. So these are all the pictures I posted then. So they posted it on the website and they said something like let me see what they wrote. They said Augusta and her handsome heartthrob Donald, a US Army officer, are set to tie the knot come next year in Owerri, Imo State. And then they went ahead to say, and these romance themed sections of the hot couple will make anyone fall in love with pre-wedding shoots. So, you know, people start commenting. There are a lot of negative comments, like lots and lots of negative comments. There are some of them that were just like for fun. You can tell that this person is probably like just trying to be funny, you know. So because of the way I posed in the picture, okay, some people were talking about like my backside or something like that. Okay, like this one said, see, as I wake up for sleep, begin to find the backside, you know, to whom it may concern, there are 3 types of backside. Then he went on to say other things, you know. Someone else said third pics, if I elaborate what the position or posture can do. And you know, people just were like, you know, trying to make jokes, you know, about my poses in the pre-wedding picture. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see someone that said, no be Augusta be this, Augusta the stripper. So this person like made this comment as if he or she knows who I am, okay? Because I can't even tell if this person is a guy or a girl here. The name is Golden Heart. Like, the person's name on this website is Golden Heart. The person said, no be Augusta be this. Like, asking no be Augusta be this, it feels like you know who I am very well, like you know me very, very well. And then the person went ahead to say Augusta the stripper. Like, guys, I was so shocked when I saw this. Okay, I was like, what's this person talking about? Like, I don't understand. Augusta the stripper, where? Like, for where? Like, how can I be a stripper and not know that I'm a stripper? Like, how? Like, I've never even been to a strip club before. Like, before this whole post, I've never ever been to a strip club before. So where am I supposed to be doing this stripping job? Like, where is this whole stripper thing coming from, you know? Then, as in, when you scroll down more, you even see that someone else replied to this stripper comment. Okay, someone else said something like, you know her. Like, someone else was asking this person, you know her, stripper, no wonder she dey climb over the man like say him be poor. You know, this, like, I was so shocked. You can imagine that this other person doesn't know me, he or she have never met me before. He just saw like a comment someone made on this website and, you know, just believed it immediately, and it just believed that I was a stripper and went ahead to make another, you know, negative comment because of this. Like, how do you come online and you start showing people online, you start dropping negative comments online, like you start saying so many negative things about people you've never met, people you're not going to see, you probably never meet in your life, you don't know from anywhere. Like, how do you sleep at night after doing that? How do people come online and throw people so much with false information? Okay, because if I was a stripper, I won't even feel bad like about this whole comment thing. I won't even feel bad at all about it. Okay, but I am not a stripper. I've never been a stripper before. I've not been to a strip club before. I don't even know what like a strip club looks like. Okay, so how do you like come online and start saying so many like negative, horrible, untrue news, like untrue information about people online? Okay, if you scroll down, you're going to see more negative comments. Like, someone even said, is she a monkey? Like, someone was asking if I was a monkey. Someone else said, I'm married to a hoe. So this person is trying to like call me a hoe, someone you've not met before, just because of a picture you saw online, because of a post you saw online. Because, you know, I was trying to have fun with the whole posing thing. You know, our photographer kept us saying, try this, try that. You know, we took lots and lots of pictures. Okay, and then because I posted some of these pictures online, you know, people just, you know, started saying so many trash, like so many negative things about me online, like on this website, okay? Because other pages that posted the pictures are mostly like pages that talk about wedding, like all these pre-wedding Nigeria, wedding, like all these wedding pages, okay, on Instagrams. They were the one that posted this picture, and a lot of people just had like so many positive things to say on those other pages, okay? It was only on this website, this was the only website I noticed that posted this picture, and people had so many negative things, like people started trolling me on this website, okay? Like someone else even said, all I see is a female gold digger and a very foolish man paying her bills and claiming he's in love. Guys, this person is calling me a gold digger without meeting me in real life, without knowing who I am, without like without even like, I don't know, like how can you call me a gold digger from a picture? Like, is it written on the face? How can you, you know, just call people names online without, we didn't even have like, without having any kind of relationship with them, without knowing them, without meeting them? Like, you only saw a picture of this person online and you went ahead to start, you know, saying so many negative things about the person. Like, there are so many other comments that I can't get to right now, but there are so many negative comments like on this website. Like, people had so many things to say about me. So this made me realize like how celebrities feel when, you know, people just come out of the blues and start saying something that is not true about them, okay? Like this, I'm not even popular, like nobody knows me apart from my friends. I'm not popular at all, and these people had this so many negative things to say about me online, okay? So now put yourself in the shoes of people who are very popular, who are celebrities, you know, who almost everybody knows in their country or in the world, and you know, they come online one day and then they see very, very like false news about them, like something that is not true. How do you sleep at night? How do people sleep at night after doing that, okay? This just made me realize how horrible it is, okay, going online to say so many negative things about people, okay? Because some people can really take things like this very serious, okay? Some people can start thinking about this kind of thing. Like, this kind of thing can make some people go very crazy, okay? I'm very, very active online. Like, I'm very, very active on Facebook, or I was very, very active then, because now I'm no longer that active anymore. But I was very, very active then on Facebook, Instagram. Like, I was very active online then. So I know that people just, you know, come out of nowhere and start trolling people online. I understand how this whole thing works. So this didn't really get to me, okay? It didn't really get to me, okay? I just laughed it off. I just saw this person as a troll. If this person had left that comment on my page, like on my Facebook page or Instagram page, I'm just going to, you know, I would have just gone there, like delete the comment, block the person, or insult the person back, then block the person, okay? So I didn't really take it that serious. But there are people that, you know, they don't really understand how this whole social media thing works, okay? Like, people that this kind of comments can really get to, okay? Like, people that will start thinking about this, and then you don't know the kind of spouse they are, the kind of person they are getting married to, okay? So you don't know how their partner is going to react to this kind of comments. Imagine leaving this kind of comments on someone's post a week to their wedding. This can cause like lots of damage, okay, to some people's relationship, okay? Because not everybody is that understanding. Not everybody understand how this whole social media thing works, okay? Not everybody will believe that all these people don't know who you are, all these people calling you a whore, or saying that you're a stripper or you're a gold digger and all those blah 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 online. Your partner might not believe that these people are lying. He might think, he or she like might think that, oh, maybe there is a truth in some of this. You know how people tell you that in every rumor there is an atom of truth in it, you know, that kind of thing. So your partner might actually believe that maybe you know, you're doing some kind of stuff behind him, and some of these people know who you are, like who you really are in real life, and that is why they're dropping this kind of comments, okay? So please, if you're one of those that do troll people online, if you're one of those that do like post negative, untrue things about people online, please, you need to stop it, okay? Because it can actually destroy someone's relationship and even someone's life, okay, because of one nasty comment you decide to drop, you know, online, okay? So please, it's very wrong to drop very untrue stories about people online, okay? Stop it if you're one of those people, okay? Now I know some of you are wondering how my husband reacted to it when he saw the comments. Okay, I think I was even the one that showed him the comment, because he didn't even know what was happening. He's not really very active on social media. Yeah, so I was the one that actually showed him the post, like the websites, and you know, he read it and it was just funny. Okay, he didn't have any reaction to it. We just laughed about it. Okay, because even if he's not that active, he understands how this whole social media thing works sometimes. Like, he knows people can just wake up and just start trolling you and, you know, start writing very negative things about you online. Okay, so he knows that. So it wasn't even like a conversation. We didn't even like talk about it or spend time trying to analyze the whole thing, or there was nothing like that. Okay, we just laughed about it. Okay, and that was it. So yeah, I decided to share this with you guys because I know some of you might have gone through something like this before. You might have, you know, come online one day and see a story about you, like a very false story about you online, and then you're very shocked because you don't even know this about yourself. Like, you're just out here reading something like you've never heard about yourself, something you've not seen yourself doing before, and someone is out there claiming, like saying this thing as if they are very sure, as if they know who you are. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what did you do when you found out something about you online? Like, what did you do? How did you react to it? Like, did you laugh about it? Did it get to you? Were you angry? It might not even be online, it could be in real life, you know, because people do gossip about people on like in real life. Okay, people do go out there and say so many negative things about the other person, maybe to their friend or to their partner or to their family member, you know. Like, have you ever had such thing before? Like, have you ever had someone go out there to say something very negative and very, very untrue about you before? How did you settle that? How did you react to it? Did you approach the person? Did you like, or did you just, you know, because you don't like drama like me, did you just like let everything slide? Or did you approach the person, you know, to, you know, ask them why they said something like that about you? So yeah guys, that was how I found out I was a stripper on social media. Okay, like Augusta, found out that Augusta was a social media, like was a stripper on social media, but not a stripper in real life. Okay, that was what happened, and this happened a week to my wedding. So guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Okay, let me know if you enjoyed this story. Like, let me know if it was interesting. I don't know if I was boring. I'm not a very good storyteller. Okay, so I hope this was not boring. Okay, I hope it was interesting to watch. This is the end of the video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.